Okay. So in yesterday's class, we touched about accounting equation. In today's class, we will continue discussing accounting equation, and we will also uh, do a lot of problems on accounting equation in today's class. Okay. Okay. Let me share my screen, guys. One final time, I'm asking everyone to switch on the camera. I see all the cameras still off. Generally, I don't have students in my class if the cameras are not turned on, actually. So it's very important that the cameras are turned on. You have an option not to turn off and not to attend. Otherwise, there is only one option. If you are in the class, you have to turn on the camera. Okay, so that helps me interact with all of you guys. The only reason why I want the cameras to be on is so that I can interact. It becomes easy for me to read the faces and interact, actually. Clear? So accounting equation we were discussing. Let me start sharing my screen now. Can you see my screen, guys? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I was discussing about accounting equation in yesterday's class. And when we started discussing about accounting equation, I showed you how a balance sheet looks like. So this is the balance sheet of ABC Enterprises as at 31st March 2026. We have, see, in balance sheet, there are two sides. One is liabilities, another is asset. So liabilities amount, asset amount. Okay. In the liability side, we have capital, which is an internal liability. And then we have liabilities like bank loan, creditors, and all will come in liabilities. And in the asset side, we have any assets, whether it's a furniture or fixture, building, plant and machinery, cash, everything comes in the asset side. So the accounting equation, if you see, one side is asset, another side is capital plus liabilities. This is a very basic sample balance sheet that I'm showing to you. So the accounting equation is assets equal to liabilities plus capital. This is derived from this concept only. If we see the balance sheet, on one side there is asset. The total of assets will always be equal to total of liabilities. And when we call liabilities, liabilities is nothing but capital plus liabilities. Any doubt, guys, so far? So accounting equation is assets equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay. And one more thing I told you, we have to remember any transaction that we are doing, always will have two impacts. Always will have, that means two accounts or two ledger it will impact. Any accounting transaction always impacts two ledger accounts. Clear? And we have to identify which two ledger accounts are getting impacted. So we will classify the ledgers into four categories. Assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Which are the four categories, guys? All the transactions, you can note it down, guys. All transactions will be classified under four categories. All transactions will be categorized.
So your video is stucking in between.
My video is getting stuck, guys. Anyone else facing the same issue? Okay. Okay, I think I have a good network today. Okay, let me see. Anyone else facing the issue, guys?
So now it
No?
is clear.
Now it is clear. Okay. So all transactions will be categorized under four heads, or rather I will say five heads. Okay. One is assets, liabilities, capital, income.
Sir. Liability spelling is L is missing, sir.
Okay. See, don't worry about spellings, guys. When I type, definitely it may happen that it may go wrong. So let's not worry about the spelling. As long as the concept is understood, it is good actually. I may make a lot of, because I'm typing, it may happen that there is a mistake in spelling. Fine. So excuse me for any typo mistakes.
Okay.
Fine. Assets, liabilities, still it is wrong. Assets, liability, capital, income and expense. Okay. So asset, we all know furniture, building, cash, these are called assets. Assets means, example of assets is furniture, building, cash. Liability means bank loan, creditors. Capital means capital only. Income and expenses means, income means sales. Expense means salary, purchases, wages. These are all examples. Any doubt so far, guys? Okay. So any transaction that we see, we have to categorize into asset, liabilities or capital, or income or expenses. Clear? Every transaction will have two impacts. Either it will impact asset, and another leg, it can be again asset, or it can be liability, it can be capital, or it can be income or expenses also. Clear? But in accounting equation, we have, our equation is assets equal to liabilities plus capital. So wherever assets is there, we will be plotting against assets. Liabilities, we will plot against liabilities. In capital, see, we don't have income and expenses in the accounting equation, right? Assets equal to liabilities plus capital. So whenever a transaction happens in the nature of income or expenses, like for example, salary paid will involve two accounts. One is salary account, another is cash account. Clear? Cash is an asset and salary is what, guys? Salary will come under which category? Salary will come under which category?
Expense.
Expenses. So when I pay salary, my profit will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease. So whenever my profit decreases, my capital will also decrease. Clear? Whenever we incur an expense, my profit will decrease, and whenever profit will decrease, my capital will also decrease. So whenever in accounting equation, whenever income and expenses comes, income, in case there is an income, capital will increase. In case it's an expense, capital will decrease. Clear? In case of income, capital will increase. In case of expenses, capital will decrease. Note it down, guys. Very, very important. Okay. Whenever there is an income, capital will increase. Whenever there is an expense, capital will decrease. Clear? The reason is, if there is an income, there will be a profit. And when there is a profit, the capital will increase. Clear? If the business has profit, that will increase the capital. If the business has loss, that will decrease the capital. So same concept applies to income and expenses. Income will increase the capital, expense will decrease the capital. Any doubt? So my accounting equation is assets equal to liabilities plus capital. So for every transaction, we have to identify whether it is impacting my asset, or it is impacting my liabilities, or is it impacting my capital. Clear? Now let us, 3 examples I took in the last class. First is, I will delete everything again so that we can redo it. Okay. 3 examples we took. Ram started business with capital 1 lakh rupees. Ram started business with capital 1 lakh rupees. Which are the 2 accounts involved, guys? Which are the 2 accounts involved?
Cash and
Sir,
Cash
capital
and,
account, cash account.
Yes. 2
capital
accounts,
account, cash
2 accounts which are involved is, one is cash. See, this part you don't have to write. I'm just writing for your information. Cash. Another account is
Capital.
Capital. Okay, before that, the format of accounting equation is serial number, transaction, assets equal to liabilities plus capital. Each category of asset will come under asset, like cash, furniture, building, stock. This will come under assets. In liability, bank loan, creditors, capital will include only capital, guys. Students, I think we have 2 or 3 late joiners. Please ensure you join the class on time. I have mentioned 7:25, and joining at 7:45 is not acceptable. Next time I will not admit people who are joining beyond 7:40. If anyone joining 10 minutes late will not be admitted in the class. Okay. So with respect to timings, let me be very strict on timings, guys. Clear? Okay. So we were discussing about assets equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay. So Ram started business with capital. 2 accounts are involved. One is cash. When a business is started with capital of 1 lakh, what happens to cash? There is a cash which is coming into the business. How much cash is coming? 1 lakh rupees. So my cash will increase by 1 lakh rupees. And this cash is towards what? This cash is an internal liability. That cash is called as capital. Clear? So my capital also increases. So 1 lakh rupees I will put under cash, and 1 lakh rupees I will put under capital. Any doubt, guys? Okay. So the format of accounting equation is serial number, transaction, assets equal to, this is equal to, assets equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay. Assets equal to liabilities plus capital. Okay. So my format is assets equal to liabilities plus capital. So I have put 1 lakh rupees under cash and 1 lakh rupees under capital. First transaction. Any doubt in the first transaction, guys? No. Next transaction, purchased furniture for 20,000. Now I have cash in the asset column, but do I have furniture in the asset column? I don't have. So what I will do, I will introduce one more category. I will introduce one more category under assets called furniture. So which are the 2 accounts involved, guys? Purchase. When I purchase furniture, my business will get a new furniture. And what
Furniture
will
and
go out of
cash.
my business? Cash.
Cash.
Okay. So I will reduce 10,000 from cash, minus 20,000 in cash, and I will add plus 20,000 in furniture. Clear? So my new accounting equation, will be cash from 1 lakh minus 20,000 will be 80,000. Furniture will be 20,000 and capital will be 1 lakh rupees. So assets, in assets I have cash of 80,000, furniture of 20,000. My assets equal to, there is no liability, and capital is 1 lakh rupees. Any doubt, guys? Clear? So after every accounting equation, we have to put new accounting equation, and then another transaction will happen. What is the next transaction? Paid salary to employee 10,000 rupees. When I pay salary to employee for 10,000 rupees, which are the 2 accounts involved, guys? How will I pay this salary? I will pay this salary
Cash
in
and capital.
cash. And salary is what? Salary is what? In which category salary will come? Salary will come under which category?
Expense.
Expenses. When I incur an expenses, my capital will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease. Fantastic, guys. Amazing response. So paid salary to employee 10,000 minus 10,000 in cash. And what will happen to my capital? Capital will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease.
Decrease. Minus 10,000.
Decrease.
So my new accounting equation will be, my cash has become now 70,000, furniture has become 20,000, and capital has reduced from 1 lakh to 90,000. Why it has reduced? Because my salary, the payment of salaries is reducing my capital. Clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Let me take one more example now. These are all examples that I am making. Loan taken from bank. Loan taken from bank, 1 lakh rupees. Loan taken from bank, 1 lakh rupees. Which are the two accounts involved, guys? See, when I take a loan, loan will not come in cash. It will come into
Liability.
account. It will come into my bank account. So two accounts which are involved. One account is bank account, and another account will be
Creditors.
creditors, or we will call it as bank loan. We will call it as bank loan. Give me a moment. Sorry, guys. So two accounts which are involved is, one is bank account, because the loan will come into my bank account. I am taking a loan for 1 lakh rupees. So my bank account will increase by 1 lakh rupees. And second account which will be impacted is which account?
Bank loan.
Bank loan. I will get a liability name called as bank loan. Okay. So I will introduce one more assets called bank here. This will come under the category of assets. Okay. And in liability, I will introduce what? Bank loan. A new liability has come called bank loan. Clear, guys? Any doubt? Okay.
No, sir.
How this transaction has to be recorded? Now what will happen? My bank account will increase by 1 lakh rupees. And my bank loan also will increase by 1 lakh rupees. So my new accounting equation, any change in cash?
No, sir.
One more moment. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I was having some disturbance. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
two accounts which are involved is, one is my bank balance will increase by 1 lakh rupees. And my bank loan also, liability will also increase by 1 lakh rupees. Okay. I will. Okay. So two accounts. Okay. So two accounts which are involved is, any change in my cash, guys? Any change in my cash? No, no change in cash, because this transaction is not impacting cash. There is no change in furniture also. There is a change in bank account. My bank account is increasing by 1 lakh rupees. My bank loan also, it's increasing by 1 lakh rupees. And any change in capital? There is no change in capital. So my new accounting equation will be, after every equation, we have to form a new accounting equation, guys. Clear? Any doubt? So just see whether my assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Asset total is 1,90,000 and liability total is bank loan plus capital 1,90,000. Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
these are four examples that I have given. Okay. With this concept, we can directly take questions now. Okay. I will start taking questions now. We will be solving questions, and each question, what you have to do along with me is identify which are the two accounts. Identify which are the two accounts. Then we will start plotting that in the equation, guys. Let's do it together. Clear? Can we do it together? Can you help me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
don't rely on me. I will make you think in the class itself, so that when you open your notebook or when you open your book at home, you will not be required to, it will not look new to you. So whenever I will make you think. Clear? That is my way of teaching. Clear? So let us do question number 1, illustration 1 together. Can you see my screen, guys, now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us do illustration 1 together, guys. A very small illustration. Let me put this illustration in my Excel sheet and let us do this together. Illustration number 1. Okay. What is the format, guys? What is the format of accounting equation? What is the format of accounting equation? Serial number, transaction.
Serial number, transactions, assets equal to liabilities plus capital.
Okay. So I have taken the format from my previous question. Okay. This format, please ensure to get maximum marks. Follow the format very, very strictly, guys. Okay. First transaction, first serial number is, what is the transaction, guys? Gurman started business with Gurman. First transaction is Gurman started business with cash 1 lakh rupees. My screen is visible to you, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good, guys. Yeah. So now two accounts it would have impacted, guys. Which are the 2 accounts it would have impacted? Under assets, which are the 2 accounts this will impact? Gurman started business with cash 1 lakh rupees.
Asset and capital, sir.
Yeah. In asset, which asset? Identify the asset.
Cash.
Okay, cash. And second account is capital. Clear?
Capital.
So I will put 1 lakh under cash and 1 lakh under capital. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now I will put a new accounting equation. I will put a new accounting equation after I complete transaction number 2. Transaction number 2, purchased goods in cash 50,000. 2 accounts will be impacted, guys. When I purchase goods in cash, 2 accounts will be impacted.
Cash
See,
and
goods
stock.
is nothing but stock, right?
Stock.
Goods is nothing but stock. So 50,000, my stock will increase or decrease?
Increase, sir. Stock
And-
will increase by 50,000.
And what is the next impact? Every transaction has 2 impact. What will happen to my cash?
It will
In
decrease.
cash account, minus 50,000.
Minus 50,000. Fantastic, guys. So what will I do? What is the next step? New
New
Accounting
accounting equation.
equation. This is the next step, guys. Fantastic, guys. You are doing very good, guys, all of you. New accounting equation. My cash has become from 1 lakh, it has reduced to 50,000 now.
50,000, sir.
Stock has become 50,000 and my capital is intact at 1 lakh rupees. My capital is intact at 1 lakh rupees. This is my new accounting equation, guys. Any doubt in this 2 transaction?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fantastic, guys. Very, very important discussion that I am doing, guys, now. Third, what is the third transaction, guys? Can you read it out? What is the third transaction? It's there in the screen.
Purchase
Purchased furniture from Samrat
Purchased-
Furnitures for 20,000 on credit.
Purchased furniture from, guys,
This
ignore
is
all typos.
Samrat Furniture.
Ignore all typos, guys. Samrat Furniture for rupees 20,000 on credit. On credit. Samrat Furniture. 2 accounts are involved, guys. What is coming into my business? A new thing is coming into my business. What is that thing called?
Sir, stock is coming.
No.
Furniture is coming, sir.
Furniture. Furniture is an asset, right? It will come under
Yes,
which
sir.
category? It will come under
Assets.
asset category. Fantastic, guys. Now, I am getting a furniture. I am introducing a new category under asset. I had cash, I had stock, but I did not have furniture. So I introduced a new category called furniture. Clear? Now this is
Yes,
only
sir.
one impact. What is the second impact of this transaction? I have taken this 20,000 rupees of furniture on credit. On credit means he will become my Samrat will become my
Creditor.
creditor. Samrat will become my creditor. In future, I have to pay to Samrat. How much I have to pay? 20,000.
20,000, sir.
And 20,000 of furniture will also come. So my new accounting equation now, my new accounting equation will be any change in cash, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No change in cash. Any change in stock?
No, sir.
No change.
No, sir.
New asset has come called furniture. My new liability has come. Liability has come in the name of creditors, and my capital remains intact. Now check whether accounting equation is tallying. 5 lakh cash, 5 lakh stock. Sorry, 50,000 cash, 50,000 stock, and 20,000 furniture. Total is 1 lakh
Yes, sir. It
20,000.
is tallying, sir.
And creditors is 20,000. Capital is 1 lakh. Accounting equation will always tally because we are giving two impacts. Every time we are giving two impacts. So it will always tally. Clear? Any doubt, guys?
Yes.
No? If you follow this carefully, you are only doing this question, guys. I am not doing this. You are only doing this question. Clear? That is the confidence that I want in you, all of you guys, that you are capable of doing all the questions. Even though this question we are doing for the first time, I am not doing it, you are doing it. And my request to all of you is, whatever you are seeing in the screen, how many of you are taking the notes, guys, in the notebook? All of you are taking the notes in the notebook? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic, guys. The moment you start taking notes in the notebook, in exam, it will become very easy for you. You will never ever make a mistake, guys. So don't expect me to share the Excel. Please don't ask the Excel after the end of the class. Whatever I'm writing in the Excel, by end of the class, all the things should be recorded in your notebook, written in your notebook. Clear? Step by step, go with me. I will ensure that entire questions are solved and the notes you have to prepare, guys. Clear? Fantastic. Now, sold next, what is the next transaction? Sold goods costing rupees 25 for sold goods costing 25,000 for 35,000. 35,000 against cash. Against cash. Okay. I will give you few context, guys. I will not answer it. I will give you little hints I will give you. Okay. You will tell me the answer. Clear? Now, understand this transaction. I will ask you a few questions. You just answer me that question. Automatically your concept will start getting clear. Sold goods costing 25,000. What is the value of goods sold?
25,000.
Goods value of goods is 25,000. Okay, this was first. For how much value I sold it? How much value I sold it?
35,000.
That means, and sold for cash, right? So how much cash I will get? 35,000.
35,000.
If something which is 25,000, if it is sold for 35,000, that means the business is making what? The business is making what? Profit of
Profit.
10,000.
10,000.
Now you have to tell me, in the accounting equation, we have stock of 50,000. So this 25,000 will reduce
Minus. Reduce.
my stock, increase my
Cash.
cash, And when I make a profit, my capital will increase or decrease?
Capital
Increase.
increases.
Capital
Increase,
will
sir.
increase. All of you have solved this yourself, guys. All of you have solved this yourself. Now we only have to plot it in the respective places. Reduce stock. How much stock is reducing?
25,000.
25,000.
I put minus 25,000 in stock. Shall I put minus 25,000 in stock?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fantastic, guys. Can I increase my cash by 35,000? I am getting 35,000 in cash. Can I increase my cash by 35,000?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Fantastic, guys. Can I now? What is the third impact, guys? Three impacts are there. I am getting a profit of 10,000. This profit of 10,000 will increase my
Capital.
capital. Fantastic, guys. So now the new accounting equation. Let us see the new accounting equation, guys. This part, please note it down, guys. This is a concept. This transaction is giving three impacts. First impact is stock is reduced. Second impact is cash is increasing. Third impact is capital is also increasing because it's a profit. Note it down, guys. This concept, note it down.
Sir, can you show it?
Okay. Someone, Sanjana, I think your side
sound
there is a
is
problem. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, I have to go on mute, I think.
Sir, can you show it, sir? Show it.
Yeah, I will show it. So the new accounting equation, my cash, how much is my cash now, guys? Total it, manually total it. Don't use calculators, never use calculators. 50,000 plus 35,000, how much is cash?
85,000.
Fantastic, guys. Total it. Stock, 50,000 minus 25,000. How much? Total it, guys.
25,000.
25,000.
Furniture. No impact in furniture.
20,000.
Furniture will remain at 20,000. Liabilities, no impact in liability. It will remain 20,000.
20,000.
Capital, 1 lakh plus 10,000. How much it is?
1,10,000.
10,000. My new accounting equation. Is it tallying? 85,000 plus 25,000 is 1,10,000. 1,10,000 plus 20,000 is 1,30,000. Liability is 20,000 plus capital 1,10,000. It is tallying. Clear, guys? It is tallying. Any doubt?
No, sir.
This you have noted down, guys? This you have noted down?
Yes, sir.
Have you noted down? Shall I delete this? Or I will keep it down? This is for transaction number 4. This is the concept for transaction number 4. You don't have to write this in exam, guys. Not required. Since I am explaining to you, I am explaining the concept to you. Next transaction. Samrat Furniture was paid in cash. Samrat Furniture was paid in cash. Samrat Furniture was paid in cash. I had a creditor called Samrat, right? This creditor is nothing but, who is this creditor? Samrat. How much was the creditor? 20,000 was my liability. Now, transaction number 5. What I am doing? I am making a payment. I am making a payment. Two accounts which are involved is cash. Okay. Sorry.
Sir, your screen is stucking very much, I think.
Anyone else facing the problem? My screen is getting cut, guys.
No, sir.
Okay. I think, Yash, please check your network where you are sitting. Okay. If the problem is with everyone, then I have to check my network. If the problem is with you, I think then you should also check the network, guys. Okay. So, transaction number 5. I purchased furniture from Samrat in credit. So Samrat was my creditor. How much I purchased? 20,000. So my creditor, my two accounts which are involved is creditor Samrat, and second account which is involved is, which is the second involved, cash. I have to pay in cash. How much I have to pay? 20,000. My cash will reduce or increase or decrease? Cash will increase or decrease when I pay to Samrat?
Decrease, sir.
Decrease.
Cash will decrease.
Yes. So cash will decrease. What will happen to my liability? This Samrat, once I pay Samrat,
Decrease.
do I have, once I pay Samrat, Samrat will not ask me anymore, right? He will not ask me again. So my liability also will, what will happen to liability?
Liability will
It will
decrease.
also
Decrease in liability. How much? Okay, ignore my
20,000.
20,000. Yes. So two impacts. One is I will reduce my cash 20,000 and my liability Samrat will become zero now. 20,000 was my liability. So my new accounting equation will be totaling. Please do the totaling along with me, guys. 85,000 minus 20,000 is
65,000.
60,000.
65,000.
Second total is 25,000. Third total is 20,000.
20.
Liability, how much is my liability left?
zero.
Zero. Nil.
Zero. And my capital is 1,10,000. Just see whether it is tallying. It is tallying. So my new accounting equation is, this is my new accounting equation, guys. Assets 1,10,000. Creditors has become zero and capital has become 1,10,000. In your book, it is not given as cash, stock and furniture, but we have to maintain it separately, guys. Illustration 1, it is not given. This is the correct answer. Clear, guys? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? And
No, sir.
you guys only have solved it along with me. Clear? Can we, any doubt in this? Can we go to the next question, guys?
Yes, sir.
Have you noted it down? Everyone noted it down? Anyone yet to note?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please take it down, guys. Don't take screenshots. Please write it down. Don't take screenshots. Please write it down. I can wait for 1 more minute or 2 more minutes, but please write it down, guys. Accounts is all about practice. We have to write, we have to practice. We have to write, we have to practice. Clear? Any doubt, guys? Can we move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Majority of the class here or majority of the students here have completed this accounting equation in your school. Clear? Now you get the depth of the knowledge that we are getting here. Are you understanding this, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to go concept by concept, guys. Every chapter, I will ensure that you're getting concepts in too much of detail. And again, I keep telling this, none of your school will be giving this much detail in concepts. Okay. So stay very fundamentally strong in your concept. This will help in my next chapter. When I discuss my next chapter will become very simple to you. Whatever concept I am explaining to you, everything will be recollected in the next chapter. I will start using the word, till now I have not started using the word debit and credit. In the next chapter, with the same explanation, I will start using the word debit and credit. You can recall all this explanation that I'm giving now. Everything you will be able to recall in my next discussion when we discuss journal entries. Clear? Okay, so we'll go step by step. Let's move to illustration 2 now. The questions are getting solved live in front of you, guys. Illustration 2. You guys are again going to help me with illustration 2, guys. Can we solve it now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
solve illustration 2. I will not solve. You guys have to solve with me. Okay. Illustration 2 in front of you. We have only 4 transactions. I will just copy the format. Okay. Format alone I am copying. Now we'll start discussing the problem now. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic, guys. Okay. Serial number 1, same, started business with cash. Started business with cash. Started business with cash. How much is the amount, guys?
70,000.
70,000. This is very easy. We have discussed it now 3 or 4 times. We have discussed. Okay. What I shall do? Where I shall add?
Cash and capital.
I have to introduce one asset called cash. Capital will remain as capital. Okay. 70,000 under cash and 70,000 under capital. Any doubt? Easy, right? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir. No, sir.
Next transaction. Please acknowledge me, guys, so that I know you are here. Credit purchases of goods, rupees 18,000. Again, this also we discussed. Goods means which category? 2 accounts which are involved. Which are the 2 accounts involved? 2 accounts which are
Stock
involved.
and liability.
Stock and liability. That liability is called as
Creditors.
creditors and creditors. We don't call it as loan. Whenever we do a purchase, we call it as creditor. Whenever we do a sale, we call it as debtors. Okay. So when I purchase goods 18,000, which asset I shall include? Which category I shall introduce now?
Stock.
Stock. Fantastic. How much? 18,000.
18,000.
Under liability, what is the name of the liability, guys? What is the name of the liabilities?
Creditors.
Creditors, 18,000. Now, what is the next step? What I have to do?
New equation.
Next step
sir.
is
New equation.
new accounting equation. New accounting equation. Very simple, guys. Simplest of all the chapters. Okay. How much is my stock, guys?
18,000.
Sorry, stock is 18,000. Cash is how much? 70,000.
70,000.
Creditors is how much? 18,000.
18,000.
My capital is how much? 70,000. 2 transactions we already completed in less than 1 minute. Third transaction. Payment made to creditors. Payment made to creditors in settlement, rupees 17,500. Okay. I will ask you few questions. Once you answer that few questions, you automatically will get the concept. Clear? First is payment made to creditors. How much payment made, guys?
17,500.
Yes. So how much cash will go? How much cash will go?
17,500.
This is decrease in asset, right? How much was my creditor? How much was my creditor, guys?
18,000.
I am telling the creditor is telling me, I will pay you only 17,500. I will pay you only 17,500. Sorry, I am telling my creditor, I will pay you only 17,500. You make your account 0. In future, don't ask me anything more. So creditor, I am settling my creditors. How much, what is the worth of creditor I am settling? 18,000. Decrease in creditor. I am telling my creditor, boss, I don't have 18,000 with me. If you want, you take 17,500. But don't ask me in future. Don't ask me any amount in future. That is why it is used the word settlement. It is used the word settlement. I am telling boss, I will pay you only 17,500 as settlement against your 18,000 money. So entire 18,000 is settled only with a payment of 17,500. That means now I am paying 18,000 or 17,500.
17,500.
70,500.
What happened to the remaining 500? The remaining 500 is discount given by the creditor to me.
Discount given.
Discount, we call it as discount received. How much discount received? 500 rupees. This 500 rupees discount is my profit or loss? Income or expenses?
Income.
This is profit.
Received.
Any profit will increase my capital or decrease my capital? Increase my capital. This is the concept, guys. Increase capital. This is the concept. Now let us plot it. Okay. How much cash is getting reduced?
70,500.
Fantastic, guys. Whether this creditor can ask me again, I'm settling entire amount or partial amount?
Entire amount.
Entire amount. I am telling you, boss, I will pay only 17,500. Don't ask me ever again. Entire 18,000 is settled. What happens to the, now 500 rupees is my profit. This 500 rupees profit what will happen to my capital? My capital will increase or decrease?
Increases.
Fantastic, guys. All of you are answering. First time you are looking at this equation and all of you are correct. How much is my cash now? Quickly calculate and tell me.
So 52,500.
Yes.
52,500.
52,500.
Calculation, please do it on your own. Don't use calculator.
Okay, sir.
18,000 is my stock. No change in stock. Creditor. How much creditor left?
0.
Zero.
Zero.
My capital from 70,000 it has become 7,500.
70,500.
My capital is increasing because I made a profit of 500 rupees in this transaction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mark this transaction as important. Whenever you are revising, please revise this transaction always. Okay? Mark this transaction as important. Whenever you are revising, please revise. Do not forget to revise this transaction. Purchase of machinery for cash. Next transaction is purchase of machinery for cash. Fourth transaction. I will not do it. You are going to tell me. Purchase of
Cash decrease and machinery increase.
machinery.
For cash.
Machinery
Cash
for
is
cash, 20,000.
20,000, sir.
Minus 20,000 cash. And
Minus
which asset is
20,000
increasing?
cash.
Machinery.
What is the
Machinery.
next
Machinery.
transaction? Machinery is an asset or what?
Asset, sir.
Asset.
Assets.
So I will increase my asset. I will increase my one asset, cash is decreasing. Another asset, machinery is increasing. See, both are assets only, but within the asset, there is a plus and minus. Are you getting it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
New accounting equation. 32,500. Stock, no change in stock. Machinery has become 20,000. Creditor was already 0. And capital is 7,500. Is my accounting equation tallying? Absolutely tallying. Absolutely. Clear? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Are you clear? Are you clear on transaction number 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note down the concept, guys, for transaction number 3. This is the concept for transaction number 3. This concept you don't have to write in exam. Just for your memory. Just for your memory, write down cash decrease in asset. Creditors 18,000 decrease in creditor because it's a full settlement. It's a full settlement. So that means my entire creditor will decrease. And I am settling a liability of 18,000 by paying only 17,500. So I make a profit. I make a profit. This profit will increase my capital. This is the concept, guys. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you following the concepts, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Two questions.
sir, not at
Two
all.
questions you have solved now. Two questions you have solved now. We will move to the third question. I am not solving any question, guys. You are only solving it. Clear? Third question. Let's solve the third question now. Can we solve the third question? Can we move to the third one?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic, guys. Third one has 9 transactions. Let's solve this together. Finding it interesting? How many you are finding it interesting and how many are finding it tough? Good, guys. Appreciate your response. Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Okay, let's move to the next one, guys. See, this is the reason why I tell you to switch on the camera. I can read the faces and tell whether you are understanding or not. Okay, makes my job easy. Question number. Oh, where is that question? Question number 3, little tilted. Okay, you can help me with the amounts. I think some part of the amount is missing. That's fine. Oh. This is question number 3. Okay, no problem, guys. I think I was taking photographs. So shall we do it now?
Yes, sir.
As usual, I will copy the format. What is the format, guys? You guys tell me.
Sir, serial
Tell me.
number, transaction, asset,
Asset,
liability,
asset consists of cash, furniture, stock, debtor, and
No.
liability consists of.
Pranav. That was in the last question. Every question it will change.
Sorry, sir. You carry
Format is assets equal to liabilities plus capital. That is the format.
Sorry,
Assets
sir.
will- Assets will keep changing from question to question. Clear?
Sorry, sir.
No problem.
You carry.
First transaction, Harsh commences business with cash 1,50,000. Serial number 1. Transaction is Harsh commenced business with cash. Always the first transaction will be this, guys. Okay. As usual, please tell me quickly, guys. Let's not waste time in first transaction. Where I shall put the amount?
Cash, sir.
sir, cash account and capital account, sir.
Cash and capital account. First transaction over. Second transaction quickly. Over first transaction. Second transaction. Furniture purchase for cash. This also we did in the last question.
Cash account
Very easy.
decrease, furniture account increase.
Furniture. What is the amount, guys? Please help me with the amount.
20,000, sir.
20,000. Okay. I don't want to scroll up. Furniture, cash will decrease. And which asset I shall introduce?
Furniture asset, sir.
Furniture. Under asset category, plus 20,000. What is the next step? Next step is what? Next step. What is the next step, guys?
Stock.
No. What is the next step? I don't have to. We should not go to the second,
The
third
new
transaction.
location.
New.
New equation.
New accounting equation. Why everyone is silent? New accounting equation. Total it. How much is cash? Total it with myself. Total it along with me. How much is cash?
1,30,000, sir.
Yes,
3,000.
please total it with me. I don't want to total for you because in exam you have to total. I will not come, laptop will not come for totaling. Okay, so you have to total it. Third accounting equation. Purchase goods from Mahesh on credit. Purchased
Stock account.
goods from Mahesh on credit.
Stock account.
Two accounts involved. One is what account?
Stock.
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 And when I purchase something on credit, my liability will increase. What is the name of the liability?
Creditors.
Creditors. Fantastic, guys. Fantastic, guys. Amazing response. Help me with the amount. What is the amount, guys?
Sir, 25,000, sir.
25,000. So stock will increase by 25,000. Liability will also increase by 25,000. Next step. What is the next step? New
Equation.
no change in
New
cash.
accounting equation.
Yes, no change in cash. Cash will remain at 130,000. Furniture, no change. Stock, new asset category introduced. Stock, new asset category. New liability introduced. Creditors. Capital remains intact at 1,50,000. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Three
sir.
equations already done. Fourth equation. What is the fourth one? Sold goods. Sold goods costing 10,000 to Mohan for cash. What is the amount, guys?
14,000, sir.
14,000.
14,000, sir.
14,000. Okay. Sold goods costing 10,000 to
Mohan for
Mohan.
cash.
For cash.
Mohan for cash. Amount is how much?
14,000, sir.
14,000.
14,000.
Okay. Now, sold goods costing 10,000 to Mohan for cash. And amount is 14,000. Okay. Now, they have played a trick here. The question has played a little bit of trick here. What is the trick? I will tell you guys. First, let us understand which are the good accounts involved. First account is I am selling a goods.
Stock account.
Stock account.
Stock account.
Sold goods costing 10,000. Stock is increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Decreasing by
Decreasing.
decrease in stock. Decrease in stock 10,000 rupees. How much? What is the amount I have sold it for?
14,000.
14,000.
14,000.
In cash or credit?
Cash.
Cash. So why they have given Mohan's name? When I sell something in cash to someone, Mohan's name is required?
No.
Not required. See, when you go to Big Bazaar and purchase something in cash, do they record that Sanjana has taken these goods? They don't record. Cash means cash. We don't know. We don't want the name of the person. The name of the person is only to confuse guys who don't understand the concept. They will put Mohan as a debtor. This is given to confuse someone. 50% of the student will give this answer wrong. Clear? That is only, Mohan is only given to confuse. How much cash I will get? 14,000.
14,000.
14,000. My asset is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increase in asset. Now, I am selling something which is 10,000 for 14,000. What happens to 4,000 rupees? 4,000 rupees is what?
Increase in capital.
Increase
No,
in
what
capital.
is this? 10,000 rupees thing I am selling for 14,000. What is this called? It is called as profit. Profit will increase my capital or decrease my capital?
Increase the capital. Increase our
Increase in
capital. Increase the capital.
capital because of profit. Because of profit. This is the concept, guys. Now, can we plot it? Stock, how much I shall, what I shall plot in stock?
Subtracting 10,000.
Minus 10,000. In cash, what I shall do?
Increase in 14,000.
14,000.
Under capital.
And capital, what I shall do?
Increasing 4,000.
4,000. Fantastic, guys. What is the next step?
New accounting
New accounting
New
equation.
accounting equation. I will keep asking you because it has to get registered in your mind. The format should get registered in your mind. How much is cash total? I can do it, but I want you to total. How much is the cash total now?
44,000.
1,44,000.
How much is the furniture total? 20,000. How much is the stock total? Stock total is how much?
15,000.
Creditors total is how much? Creditors total is how much?
25,000.
25,000.
25,000. 25,000. That is correct. What is the capital total?
154,000. 1,54,000.
Fantastic, guys.
1,54,000.
Amazing response and amazing participation, guys. You can all applaud yourself for wonderful participation, guys. Fantastic. Okay. Well done, guys. Next accounting equation. What is the next one? Additional capital introduced. Very simple. Additional capital introduced is similar to initial capital introduced. No change in concept. Additional capital introduced is similar to initial capital.
Initial capital.
What two places? Same
Cash account and
accounting
capital account.
Increase in cash,
Cash
and
account and
increase in
capital
capital.
Fantastic, guys. What is the amount? Please help me with the amount.
20,000.
1,000.
Sir, 20,000, sir.
20,000. Yes. Guys, I don't want to keep changing my screen. That's why I'm asking for amount. Amount is 20,000, right?
Yes, sir.
20,000 in cash. Okay, let me freeze my pen. 20,000 in cash and 20,000 in
Capital.
capital. What is the next step? Again, quickly, guys, don't waste time.
New
Next step,
accounting equation.
new accounting equation.
New
Everyone
accounting
participate with.
equation. 1,64,000.
Fantastic. Total it with me, guys. Cash, how much cash now?
1,64,000.
1,64,000.
Remaining will remain the same. My creditors also will remain the same. Capital will become how much?
1,74,000.
1,74,000.
6 transactions we have completed.
1,74,000.
5. Yes, fantastic. 5 transactions we have completed. 6 transactions. Commission received in advance.
2,000.
Okay, I will give a little bit of concept for this. Commission received in advance.
Advance income.
Commission received in advance. Okay. See, whenever I receive anything in advance and I don't give a service, if I don't give a service and I receive something in advance, that is called as liability. Why it is called as liability? Until I give the service, my income cannot be recognized, right? I cannot recognize my income. So if I receive an income in advance, if, for example, assuming I am taking private tuitions, I take 1,000 rupees from some students for taking classes in advance, and I have not started taking classes. So this 1,000 rupees will become my liability because my responsibility is to take the class. Clear? So at any point of time, the student can ask for a refund, telling that, sir, you have not taken classes, but you have taken my 1,000 rupees. Please refund it if you don't want to take class. Clear? So that 1,000 rupees, if something is which is received in advance, is always a liability. When it will become income? Once I complete the service. Once I complete the service, it will become my income. Till such time, it will become a liability. Clear? So 2 transactions, 2 accounts which are involved. Which are the two account? One is income received in advance. This will increase my, in which category it has to come? It will increase my liability. Increase my liability. How much? 2,000 rupees. And I am receiving cash, so it will increase my assets. So two places I have to show this. Two places I have to show this. So inside liability, I will introduce one more column. There are two categories of liability now. One is creditor, another is income received in advance. Income received in advance is a liability because I have not given service till I have not given service. That's why it is a liability. So cash will increase by 2,000 rupees and my liability will also increase by 2,000 rupees. Any doubt in this concept? New concept to you. New concept to you. Income received in advance is a liability. Highlight this transaction also. This is also important because it's a new concept. Whichever is a new concept, right? Highlight it because this is the place where students get confused. Why income received in advance is a liability? Why it is not an income? Clear? Are you getting why it is a liability? Because I have not given service. When I have not given service, it's a liability. I have to repay at any point of time. The student can ask me the refund back. Clear? Similarly, in business, if goods are not sold, but someone has given the advance. Just someone has given the advance, goods have not been sold. So it's a liability for the business. Until the goods are delivered, it's a liability to the business. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next step, new accounting equation. Total with me, guys. Fast. You have to be faster than me.
1,68,000, 66,000.
So 1,68,000.
66. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I have a new liability. Now I have two types of liability. One is creditor, another is income received in advance. Two types of liability. And how many types of assets? Three types of assets. Cash, furniture, and stock.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, instead of writing income received in advance, can't I directly write advance income?
Both are same. Both are same.
Okay, sir.
Terminology doesn't change the nature of transaction. Whether you call it as advance income or income received in advance, both are same only.
No, sir, actually in notebook the space is less now, so I think that can't we just concise it?
Absolutely, you can write advance income. Okay. Seventh transaction. Okay. I think since I freezed my pains, seventh transaction is paid to creditors Mahesh in settlement. Paid to creditors Mahesh in settlement. See, whenever the word settlement is used, that means the entire amount is paid to creditor. How much creditor I am having? 25,000. And how much I am paying?
25,000, sir.
How much I am paying?
22,000.
Okay. So same. Creditors. How much creditors is decreasing, guys?
22,000.
No. Mahesh is, how much the liability I am having against Mahesh? 25,000.
25,000.
So my entire liability, it's a full settlement. That means my entire 25,000 will reduce. How much I am paying in cash? How much I am paying in cash?
So
For 25,000.
22,500.
22,500.
For 25,000, I am paying only 22,500. How much profit I am making? How much profit I am making?
2,500.
2,500. Fine. This we discussed in the last question also. Clear?
Okay.
Again, same thing repeating. That is the beauty of TS Grade 1. Transaction gets repeated multiple times so that you get multiple times to practice. Okay. Now plot it here. How much cash is going out, guys? Minus how much? You have to tell me. I'm waiting for your answer.
Minus 2,25,000.
22?
2,25,000.
Not 2,25,000. Only 22,500.
22,500.
Don't make mistakes in numbers. This is where students will lose marks. Our students should not make any mistake. How much creditors will reduce? 22,500 or entire 25,000?
And
Sir,
Entire-
entire 25,000.
Entire 25,000. Because it's a full settlement. It is a full settlement.
Full settlement.
I will highlight this word. It's a full settlement. That is why entire liability will become zero. And am I making a profit in this transaction?
Yes, sir.
How much profit I'm making?
2,500.
2,500.
2,500.
Fantastic, guys. Fantastic, guys. Now help me with the new accounting equation. 1,66,000 minus 22,500. How much it will come? Quickly, guys.
143. 1,43,500.
Fantastic. Remaining amounts remains unchanged. My creditor will become how much?
0.
0, sir.
0.
Income received in advance will remain same. How much is my capital now?
Sir,
Simple.
1,78,500.
78,500 or 76,500?
1,76,500.
76,500, sir. 1,76,500.
1,76,500.
Okay. Let me tell you guys, if you make a mistake in calculation, you are losing marks. Concept alone is not enough. To get 100% marks in a question, presentation, concept, and calculation. All the three things should be correct. Okay. So don't be in a hurry. Do correct calculation. You will think that I have done everything correctly. Instead of 1,76,000, if you mention 1,78,000, you will lose marks. I don't want my students to lose mark. Yeah, we will be perfect. Clear? So Pranav, it's not 2,25,000, it is 25,000.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's not make such silly mistakes. I know my students will never go wrong in concept, but I don't want them to go wrong in calculation also.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can do all mistakes in the class, but when we go to the exam, we will not make a single mistake. Clear? So classroom is your place for mistakes, not when you do your questions at home or when you do your.
That's what. That sometimes I will make mistakes in these.
You should not make. That is why I'm correcting and pointing you.
Okay.
Okay. So why mistakes happen? Because we want to be the first one to answer. Okay. We can be the second one also with a correct answer. That's absolutely fine. Clear? 7 transactions over. What is the 8th transaction, guys? Sold
Goods costing
Sold
15,000
goods costing
for
15,000,
18,000, out of which
for
5,000 is in
18,000,
cash.
out of which
sold
5,000.
goods costing 15,000 for 18,000, out of which
5,000 received in cash.
5,000 received in cash. As usual, I will not answer it, but I will enable or I will make you answer by asking few questions. Clear? First question. Sold goods costing 15,000. So what is the cost of stock, guys, which I am selling? What is the cost of goods which I am selling?
15,000.
15,000.
So my stock will reduce or increase or decrease?
Increase.
So stock will reduce.
Reduce. Decrease in stock 15,000. For 18,000, how much I am selling? 18,000, out of which 5,000 received in cash. So cash received is 5,000.
5,000.
And how much I have not received? How much I have not received?
13,000.
18,000 is my sale
13,000.
value.
13,000.
Yes. So 13,000 will become my credit sale. My credit sale is how much? Credit sale is 13. This is called as, this we will call it as debtors. This will call it debtors is increasing. Debtors is increasing. Cash is increasing.
Yes, sir.
Increase. Now 18,000 of sale, 15,000 of stock is going out. I am making a profit or loss? I am making a profit or loss? I am selling for 18,000. I am selling for 18,000 goods which are worth rupees 15,000. So profit is how much? Profit is how much? 3,000. Increase in profit will increase my capital or decrease my capital?
Increase in capital.
Profit will increase my capital. Increase in capital. So 4 places I have to make an impact. I have to reduce stock by 15,000, increase cash by 5,000, increase my debtors by 13,000, and increase my profit by 3,000. Clear? One transaction, 4 impacts. Note it down, guys. Very important. Mark this adjustment as important. Point number 8, put somewhere. Note it down in your TS Grewal. Whenever you are revising, you have to revise this. Note this concept also. Help me plot this concept now. Stock decreased by 15,000. Stock decreased by minus 15,000 stock.
Minus
What is-
15,000.
Minus 15,000. Cash increased by 5,000. Cash increased by 5,000. What else, guys? Debtors. I have to introduce a new category. Debtors is not there. What I have to do? Debtors is not there. I will introduce a new category under assets. How much? How much? 13,000. And profit is how much?
3,000.
Profit is 3,000. Any doubt in this concept, guys?
No, sir.
New accounting equation. New accounting equation. Cash total, you have to total, guys. Total with me. Cash is 1,48,500.
1 lakh.
Furniture, no change. Stock has become 0. Debtors has been introduced for 13,000. Creditors already had become 0. Income received in advance, there is 2,000 rupees.
2,000.
And capital is how much? Capital is how much?
1,79,500.
1,79,500. You are solving this, guys. Again, I am repeating, you are solving this. Note down this concept also. Note down this concept also.
Okay, sir.
This is for transaction number 8. This is for transaction number 8. This concept is not required in exam. You don't have to. This is only for your understanding. I am asking you to write so that the concept gets registered in your mind. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Are we good? Last transaction.
Yes, sir.
Last transaction on this. Depreciate furniture at the rate of 10%. This is also a new concept to you. Depreciate furniture at the rate of 10%. But I have discussed this. When we discussed the term depreciation, I have discussed this. Depreciate furniture at the rate of 10%. How much is furniture with me, guys? In the accounting equation, how much is the value of furniture?
20,000, sir. 20,000, sir.
10% of 20,000 is how much?
2,000, sir.
2,000. When I want to depreciate my furniture value will go down or go up?
So furniture value will
It will
down, sir.
increase.
Go down. So when when we depreciate furniture, two things happen. My asset will decrease by 2,000 rupees, decrease in assets, and depreciation is an expense to the company. Depreciation is an expense to the company. One thing is it is decreasing the value of the asset. Another thing is it's an expense to the company. So minus 2,000 will become expense to the company. Expense. Depreciation is expense. Expense will increase my profit or decrease my profit? Sorry, decrease my capital or increase my capital?
Decrease the capital.
Decrease in capital. Now you have solved this. You have solved this also. So two places. I will reduce my furniture by 2,000 rupees and also I will decrease my capital by 2,000 rupees. And the final accounting equation will be
2,000
no change in cash.
Cash
48,500.
1,40,500.
Furniture has reduced. Previous accounting equation it was 20,000. Now it has reduced to 18,000 because of depreciation it has got
80,000,
reduced.
sir.
Stock already it became 0. Debtors it was 13,000. Income received in advance will
Zero.
remain at 2,000. And my
13,000.
capital will reduce to 1,77,500.
1,77,500.
This completes my discussion for 9 points. Any doubt in any of these 9 points?
No, sir.
Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Have you all noted it down
Yes, sir.
along with me? How many of you have noted it down along with me? Anyone left out in noting it down? Fantastic, guys. I'm very happy you are all progressing, guys. Very, very good, guys. Fantastic, guys. Fantastic participation. Wonderful, guys. The next question is, it's a 10-line adjustment. The next question. Maybe, okay. Maybe we can stop here also. I'm good. Okay. Are you all following this, guys? Have you all followed this example?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Illustration number 3. Everyone followed it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic, guys. Give me a moment, guys. 1 minute. Okay. Now, time for me to give you few homework. How many of you are completing the homework, guys? Whatever I'm telling you. Fantastic, guys. We can complete practical problems from 1 to 6 we can complete, guys. 1 to 6, there is no new adjustment in any of this 1 to 6. Page number 5.20 and 5.21 of TS Grade 1. Question number 1 to 6, we can complete. 1 to 6, let me see whether anything else. One to 6 we can complete, guys. Yeah, 2 have raised hands. One is Akshay and another is Roshni. Yes, what is your doubt, guys?
No doubt,
Akshay,
sir.
okay. Roshni, you also raised your hand?
No doubt.
No doubt. Fantastic. So 5.0 and 5.21, question number 1 to 6 is your homework. before doing the homework, please repeat all the 4 illustrations. Or how many illustrations we have done? We have done only 3. Repeat all the 3 illustrations. Don't look at the answer, guys. Try to do it like a practical problem without looking at the answers. And once you gain confidence on illustration number 1 to 3, then do question number 1 to 6. And you will feel more confident when each 6 question in the practical problem you get it right, guys. I know all of you will get it right, but you have to practice.
Okay, sir.
Everyone, you.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic, guys. Time is
Yes,
exactly
sir.
9. So I will stop the class here. I will see you again on Friday at 6:55 p.m. Okay.
Okay.
This class also I will be uploading in YouTube. Any of your friends who wants to see, please share the YouTube channel. If they want to see, they can also
Yes, sir.
get benefited. My intention was not to share any recorded videos, but I'm doing it because I see out of 19, only 13 have joined. But I don't know. I may stop sharing recording because that is another side of it. I think it is making people lethargic. Actually, students are not taking it for granted. Okay, you and I have stopped taking it. I have stopped taking admissions for this session. Maybe you can talk to me separately on this. Okay. See you all in the next class. I will meet you. You all in the next class tomorrow. And please practice whatever we discussed. Question number 1 to 6. Please practice. Okay. Have a great week ahead, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.